Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SCK. Alright you guys, so I did another deal this week. I told you guys that Colgate and Crest was on promotion this week, so if you needed toothpaste, this was a great week to stack up on toothpaste. I explained to you guys in the previous video that they were all out of Colgate and Crest when I went in the earlier part of the week. So I decided to get there today, and I was able to get 4 boxes of Colgate. They have not restocked Crest yet. So remember I told y'all that if you bought 2 Colgates, you'll get $6 in ECBs. So I was able to get a sweet deal, and I did the Colgate deal twice on 2 different separate cards. So I was able to get $6 back on my Colgate, which I rolled into the Tide deal. Now the Tide is on promotion this week, and in my previous video y'all saw that I did a haul with some Tide. So I did it again because I had a $3 digital coupon on each 2 of my separate cards. So I did it 2 times. So I rolled the $6 from the Colgate into, I'm sorry you guys, into the Tide, which caused me to break even. And I did the same thing with this deal. And again, if you buy 2 Colgates, you get $6. So I had $3 coupon on this one and a $3 coupon on that one, and I rolled the 6 and I broke even. For some reason, there on my receipt, it rung up as though I had extra bonus care pass, which that wasn't true. So I don't know if that's the way they just rung it up and made it seem like I had the $10 care pass, but I already know that I had used the $10 care pass on these 2, but for some reason that's how it had rung up. But I actually did roll $6, and then my $3 coupon did pick up. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and I'm hoping that my camera is focusing, and you can see the manufacturer digital, that $3 that came off, and then for some reason it's saying that the extra plus came. And I don't know, sometimes CVS will give you extra things and you just don't know it, but I know for a fact that I tore off my $6 ECB, and you can see it at the bottom, buy 2 get $6. So I did buy my 2, and my $6 was on the bottom of my receipt, and I rolled it over, but for some reason it picked up on the computer the way it did. So overall, this was a really sweet deal. Out of pocket $0. You can't beat that. So if you want to stack up on toothpaste, this is the week to do it. You still have time. Colgate and Crest is on promotion, and Colgate is actually on sale as well, and I believe the Colgate is buy 2 get 5 ECBs back. So that's still a sweet deal, but for some reason my store has not restocked on the Crest as of yet. Probably tomorrow and Saturday they will, so they can get ready for the Sunday deals. That's usually what they do. And sometimes they'll restock on Thursdays, but they're probably not going to restock on the Crest in my location until probably this evening, late this evening, you know, with the night shift. So this was the roll deal, you guys. So I did roll. So if you are new to rolling, this is definitely an easy deal to roll into. A lot of stuff in CVS, if you are used to rolling, there are great deals to roll in your ECBs too. Now if you have the time to do rolling, you can roll all day. But I usually get in and get out. I don't like to hold up the line. There are extreme couponers that will do that. They will hold up the line. They will have 10 cards and they'll be rolling their money. They'll get off the line and take the extra ECBs they get back, and they'll go shopping again, get back on the line, go shopping again, get back on the line. That's what they do, especially on Sundays. I used to do a lot of that on Sundays, but the more that I coupon, the more I want to coupon easy and move fast. So that's another reason why I like to break my deals up like this, to keep it simple for myself and also for you guys that I'm trying to teach how to coupon. So you know, pace yourself when you couponing. When you first start, you want to get all the deals you can, but just try to pace yourself so that you can get the most out of your money. Don't be so quick to just go ahead and roll again. Think your deals do. Make sure you're getting things that are good for your household, because you may not even like Tide. You may like the Gain. Like Gain was on promotion this week as well. But I tend to lean towards the Tide and Gain, and also Presto. Y'all know I love Presto. And those Presto deals should be coming around towards like September, October. It seemed like those when those deals for Presto come in. So, all right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this show and tell, and you guys are understanding the method of couponing. And if you're not getting your Sunday papers, please get your Sunday papers. I am convicted because I have not been doing that. I have not been getting my Sunday papers. I have not been cutting my coupons. I've been definitely focusing on digital, but you definitely want to get your Sunday papers and get those coupons out of there. I am definitely going to buckle down and do a little bit better with organizing my coupons the way I was a couple of years back. But for the most part, I've definitely been focusing on digitals. But you definitely want to get that Sunday paper so you can get the rest of those manufactured coupons, because you can stack some you can stack digital with the paper manufacturers, and some you can't. It depends on what that franchise is doing, like Walgreens and CVS, Family Dollar and Dollar General. It depends, but a lot of times you can stack a digital with the paper coupon. All right, you guys, this is SEK the Homestead. I hope this is helping you guys out. Make sure you guys get out and do these deals and keep your stockpile stocked. If we're not careful, our stockpiles could dwindle right down to zero, and you don't want that to happen. You want to be prepared for anything. Do not allow people to come shopping and at your stockpile. If you want to share your stockpile, that's fine. But do not allow people to just come in and say, oh wow, I need this, so can I have this? Don't do that, because this is work and you're trying to stock up so that you can be prepared for your family. Now, I'm not saying don't go and help your family individually. Do not hear what I'm not saying. But excuse me, you guys, be mindful of the work that you're putting in and why you're doing it. All right, you guys, this is SEK the Homesteader. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for all your comments. I see you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm sorry for coughing, but I had a little itch. All right, family, this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys continue to be safe. And continue to stack up on your toiletries and your food. All right, family? Peace out.